Have you ever wondered how your text message, a photo, or a video stream travels through the empty air and reaches someone thousands of miles away in the blink of an eye? It feels like instant magic. But behind that single tap is a hidden, hyper-fast digital race where billions of decisions are made every second just to guide your data home. Welcome. Today, we live in an unplugged world. We stream music on our morning runs, join video calls from moving trains, and control our home appliances from across the city. All of this relies on wireless networks, but throwing data into the air is the easy part. The real challenge is making sure that data doesn't get lost in the clouds. This is where traffic routing comes in. Routing is the invisible navigation system of the digital age. Whether you are browsing on home Wi-Fi, using a cellular network, or running an industrial Internet of Things grid, routing is the only reason your data actually reaches its destination instead of vanishing into thin air. What is traffic routing? To understand traffic routing, forget about computers for a moment and think about your car's GPS navigation system. When you want to drive across town, you type an address into your phone. The GPS looks at the entire city map, checks for traffic jams, construction, and speed limits, and gives you the fastest path. In the digital world, your data doesn't travel as one giant block. Instead, it is chopped up into millions of tiny pieces called packets. Each packet is like a letter placed inside an envelope. On the outside of that envelope is a header containing the source address and the final destination address. Routing is the process of inspecting those digital envelopes at various checkpoints along the highway and pointing them toward the absolute best path to their destination. If one highway is jammed, the routers instantly detour your packets down an alternative road. How wireless networks work. But routing through a physical wire is straightforward. The path is fixed. Wireless networks introduce a chaotic twist. The first leg of the journey has no lanes at all. When your wireless device sends data, it translates those digital envelopes into high-frequency radio waves. These waves spread out through the room or the street, carrying the data through the air. Nearby infrastructure acts as the catcher's mitt. At home, this is your Wi-Fi access point or router. Out on the street, it's a cellular tower or base station. These devices are equipped with specialized antennas that capture those fading radio ripples, strip away the airwaves, and convert the data back into crisp electrical or light pulses. Ready for the physical network, how traffic routing happens. Let's follow a single packet on its journey from your phone to a friend's device to see exactly how routing choices are made. Step 1. The source device. Your phone creates the packet, attaches the destination IP address, and beams it into the air. Step 2. The local gatekeeper. The radio wave is caught by your local Wi-Fi router or cell tower. This device looks at the address and realizes the destination is outside your local room or neighborhood. It immediately passes it up the chain. Step 3. Network routers. Now, the packet hits the heavy machinery. It arrives at a series of industrial network routers. These are specialized computers that act like international postal sorting facilities. They maintain routing tables, dynamic digital maps of the entire Internet. Step 4. The Internet backbone. The routers pass the packet along the high-speed fiber optic cables buried under our streets and oceans. Each router along the way reads the envelope, makes a split-second forwarding decision, and pushes it to the next checkpoint. Step 5. The final delivery. The packet arrives at the destination's local network, gets beamed over the air via their router or cell tower, and lands on your friend's screen. Remarkably, different packets from the exact same message might take completely different paths across the globe. Yet they all arrive and reassemble perfectly in milliseconds. Routing protocols in wireless networks. How do routers know which path is best? They use specialized software languages called routing protocols. In traditional wired networks, these protocols use methods like distance vector, which simply looks at the shortest number of checkpoints, or link state, which maps out the health and speed of every connection on the grid. But wireless networks are dynamic, requiring dynamic and ad hoc routing. In an ad hoc wireless network, devices are moving constantly. Routers must continuously shout out to their neighbors, asking, "Are you still there? How fast is your connection right now?" Based on the whispers they get back, the routing protocols rewrite their digital maps in real time, adapting instantly to a shifting world. Challenges in wireless routing. This constant adaptation is necessary because wireless routing is full of obstacles. First, there is signal interference. Solid concrete walls, heavy rain, and even your kitchen microwave can distort radio waves, causing packets to drop. Second, there is mobility. What happens to a routing path when the receiving device is in a car traveling at 70 miles per hour? The network has to perform a flawless handoff from one cell tower to another without losing a single packet. Add in network congestion from crowded cities and strict security concerns requiring deep data encryption. And it's a wonder our data finds its way at all. Networks overcome this through smart error correction algorithms, resending lost packets so quickly that your video never buffers. Real-world applications. We rely on this intelligent routing every single day. It is what keeps your cellular data active as you cross state lines. It allows massive smart cities to route traffic data from thousands of intersection sensors to central optimization systems. In autonomous vehicles, ultra-fast wireless routing is a matter of safety, letting cars instantly share road condition data with nearby vehicles to prevent accidents before they happen. Future of wireless routing. The future of routing is pushing past human design. As we maximize 5G and begin prototyping 6G networks, data demands are skyrocketing. The next frontier is AI-powered routing. Instead of relying on static pre-written rules, future networks will use machine learning to predict traffic spikes and self-optimize their paths before congestion even happens. Combined with massive new low-Earth orbit satellite internet systems, wireless routing is moving from a two-dimensional grid into an intelligent, global spheres of connection. The next time you send a simple text, make a voice call, or stream an online video, take a moment to appreciate the invisible pathfinders. Millions of packets navigating a chaotic obstacle course of radio waves. Fiber optics and dynamic routers are working flawlessly behind the scenes just to deliver the world to your screen. If this deep dive into the hidden paths of the internet helped you see the world a bit differently, smash that like button and subscribe to the channel for more educational documentaries on the engineering running our civilization. What part of wireless technology baffles you the most? Let's talk about it in the comments below. Stay curious, and we'll see you in the next one.